Hello, my dear students. Very good evening, all of you. So now we are going to discuss the remaining portion of our Abhyas test, that is basic numeracy and logical reasoning part. The number 1x62, these are two numbers, 1x62. When this is added in 5, 8, y9, then the sum is coming out to be 4-digit number Z401. Z401. We know that 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 1 is here, so 1 should go as the carry forward. 1 plus 6 is 7. We want a 0 here. तो ये 0 कैसे आएगा बेटा? 10 ना? So 1 plus 6 is 7. So here y has to be equal to 3. So if y will be 3, then 1 plus 6 plus 3, that is 10. What 0 will be written here? 1 will go there. 1 plus 8 is 9. So x has to be 5. So 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 is here. 1 will go as a carry forward. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So from here we are getting x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 7. We have to find the value of x plus z. So 5 plus 7, answer will be 12. I hope you have done this. Now these questions RC sir has already discussed. Subtracting 3 from a number and then multiplying it by self. Let there is a number x. Subtracting 3 from a number and then multiplying this result by 4. So x minus 3. This is multiplied by 4. Then this is equal to 4 times the original number. Original number is x. Is equivalent to multiply the original number by 4 and then subtract what? We have to subtract something out of it. Let us subtract y. So we have to find the value of y. So y का value क्या बनेगा बच्चे? You can say that this will be 4x minus 4 into 3 is 12. That is equal to 4x minus y. So from here we can say y is equal to 12. So this is 4 times the original number minus 12. Y will be equal to 12. P1 plus P2, these are prime numbers such that P1 is less than P2 is less than 50. P1 is less than P2 is less than 50. P1 plus P2, this is a factor of 315. A factor of 315. But 315 is an odd number. So all the factors of odd number has to be odd number. So it means P1 plus P2 has to be equal to odd number. Sum of two numbers is odd. It means one has to be even, one has to be odd. So 2 is the only prime number which is even. Got it? So it means P1 has to be even. So P1 must be equal to 2. 2 plus P2, that will be an odd number, where P2 is a different prime number. So we have to find how many possible values P1 can attain. P1 can have only one possible value, that is equal to 2. Confusion है क्या इसमें? Got it ना? Then seventh question. Given is written as given is written as M D V J and H. So G becomes H, that is +1. I becomes J, that is +1. V remained as it is, no change. E becomes D, that is -1. N become M, that is -1. So these are written in the reverse order, and first two letters are replaced with the next letter, and middle letter remain as it is. Last two letters are substituted by the previous letters. We have to find the value of shark, SHARK. This will be increased by 1. S will become T. H will become I. A will remain as it is. R will be replaced by the previous letter, that is Q. K will be replaced with the previous letter, that is J. So it will be JQAIT. JQAIT. Answer is B. Then next one. Ajay intended to order 4 pair of black socks and some pair of blue socks. Price of a black sock per pair was twice that of the blue sock. Let us talk about the price. If the price of blue is 1, then black will be 2 units. And the quantity purchased, Ajay intended to order 4 pair of black and some pair of blue. So what should be the correct bill? Bill will be equal to price into the quantity. For 4 units at the rate of 2 unit per pair. So value will be 4 into 2 plus 1 into X. But what happened? These values are interchanged by mistake. The number of pair of the two colors got interchanged. So it means the value of black is written as X quantity, and here it is written 4. So what is the faulty bill? This should be the correct bill. And faulty bill will be 2 at the X at the rate of 2, that is 2X, plus 4 at the rate of 1, that is 4 into 1. This is the faulty bill. Faulty bill is 50% more than the correct bill. So that is equal to 150% of the correct one. 150% of the correct bill. Correct bill is 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus X. We can cancel out this. 3 upon 2. Go for cross multiplication. So this will come here. 2 into 2X, that is 4X. Plus 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 8 is 24 plus 3X. Now 3X will come here. It will become 4X minus 3X. X. 8 will go there. That will be 24 minus 8, 16. X is equal to 16. So originally the blue color were purchased. 16 pairs of blue were purchased. That is the question, I guess. Find the number of pairs of the blue socks in the original. In the original, blue socks has to be 16. Any confusion till here? दोबारा देखते बच्चे. ब्लैक पेयर की वैल्यू ब्लू से डबल है. Let the value of a blue pair is 1 rupee, then black pair will cost 2 rupees. He purchased 4 pairs of black and some pairs of blue. Let the number of blue pair is X. तो बिल क्या होना चाहिए? 4 pairs at the rate of 2, their value will be 8 rupees. Plus X pairs at the rate of 1, their value will be X. So original bill has to be 8 plus X. But गलती क्या की? Their numbers got interchanged, quantity got interchanged. Black को X के according bill बनाया है और blue का bill बनाया है according to the 4 pairs. So X pairs of black at the rate of 2, their value will be 2X. And 4 pairs of blue at the rate of 1, their value will be 4. So this is the faulty bill. Faulty bill will be 2X plus 4. According to the question, the order was this increases the bill by 50%. 50% extra bill बना है. So the new bill is 150% of the original bill. So this bill is 150% of the original bill. So from there 50, say we can cancel out 3 by 2. Go for cross multiplication. 2 into 2x 4x. 2 into 4 is 8. That is 3 into 8 24 plus 3 into x 3x. 8 will go there. 24 minus 8 16. 3x will go there. It will become x. So this is 24 minus 8 16. Six positive integers a, b, c, d, e, f have an average value of 36. But if the average value is 36, what will be the total? 36 into 3. Total is equal to number of terms into the average. So we can say a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f. That is equal to 36 into 3, 216. All these are positive integers. And smallest value is a. We have to maximize what could be the greatest value of d upon c. d upon c. We have to maximize it. इसको maximum बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा बच्चे? c has to be minimum and d has to be maximum. तो c का minimum value क्या हो सकता है? 3 ना? If a is 1, b will be 2, c will be 3. Got it? So minimum value of c will be 3. And d has to be maximum. d को maximum लेके आना है आपको. अब d को maximum लाने के लिए the total has to be 216. 216 में से बच्चे इन तीन का total आ गया 6. So their total has to be 210 ना. Their total has to be 210. अब 210 में d का वैल्यू हैज टू बी लेस देन e, हैज टू बी लेस देन f. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि d को आप 210 ले लोगे. यू हैव टू सेटिस्फाई दिस कंडीशन ऑल्सो. d इज लेस देन e इज लेस देन f. तो अगर मैं d को x मान लूं तो e का वैल्यू मिनिमम x प्लस 1 होना चाहिए. e इज ग्रेटर देन d ना, तो कम से कम एक ज्यादा तो होगा. व्हाट अबाउट f? 1 more than this, x plus 2. Now their total is coming out to be 210. सबका total कितना होना चाहिए? Their total has to be 216. So from here you can say that this part is coming out to be x plus x, that is 3x, plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 3, 9, 216. So from here 3x will be equal to 216 में से 9 माइनस करोगे, what you will get? 207. Now from x you can cancel out this. This will come out to be 69. ठीक है. d का maximum value can be 69 and c's minimum value can be 3. So what is the ratio? 23:1. That is the maximum ratio. For this ratio to be maximum, d has to be maximum and c has to be minimum. Clear है? Do I need to repeat it? Three different faces of a cube are colored in different colors: black, green and blue. How many faces are painted? 3 faces, 3 colors. तो इसका मतलब हर फेस पे एक ही कलर, हर कलर जो है, each color will be used on only one face. There are 2 possibilities existing. one possibility is that these colors are painted on the adjacent faces such that they have a common corner. (216) means length, breadth and height will become 6, na? 216 is 6 cube. So we should have 6 layers in each side. तो पहला केस में लेके चलूंगा बच्चे, टॉप पे रेड है, दिस साइड ग्रीन एंड दिस साइड इट इज ब्लू कलर, blue. N are the number of cubes that are not colored on any of their faces. अब वो faces निकालने जिन पे कहीं पे भी those faces which do not have a color at all. तो एक काम करते बच्चे, टॉप लेयर को हटा दें हम, because top layer has red color. तो हाइट कितनी बचेगी इसकी? There are 6 layers. 6 में से top layer is removed. तो how many layers are left? 5 layers. The right hand layer has all the pieces green color. तो ये layer हम हटा देंगे, तो how many such layers are left? 5 layers. अब इस टाइप से भी there are 6 layers. Front layer is blue color painted. तो इसको भी हटा दो आप. जिन 3 layers के ऊपर पेंट है, जिन 3 faces के ऊपर पेंट है, we are removing those 3 layers. तो height कितना बनेगा? 5. Now length will become 5 and breadth will also become 5. तो अगर हम इनको हटा देंगे तो हमारे पास बच्चे एक छोटा क्यूब बनेगा जिसकी लेंथ होगी 5 यूनिट्स, ब्रेड्थ विल बी 5 यूनिट एंड हाइट विल ऑल्सो बी 5 यूनिट. तो इन दैट हाउ मेनी पीसेस विल बी देयर? 125 ना. So after removing this we will get a piece. अब ये पीस बनेगा. Its height is 5, length is 5, breadth is 5. So how many pieces do not have a color at all now? कितने बने इस पे? 125 ना. 5 into 5 into 5. So there are 125 pieces which do not have a color at all. This is one possibility. Because question में ऐसा नहीं बोला था कि how we are going to paint. ये तो हमने कॉमन कॉर्नर वाले पीसेस भी ले लिया बच्चे कि they are painted such that the adjacent faces have same adjacent faces are painted. But continuous faces भी हो सकते हैं. Continuous faces का मतलब है if you are clear about this 125, should I erase this diagram? सेकेंड केस लेके चलते बच्चे. इधर ग्रीन है, रेड है और ग्रीन के अपोजिट इट इज ब्लू कलर. ब्लू कलर यहां बैक साइड में, उस साइड में पेंट है. तो अब आपको 3 लेयर्स हटानी है जिन पे पेंट है. यू हैव टू रिमूव दोज 3 लेयर्स. तो टॉप लेयर रिमूव करोगे तो हाइट कितनी बचेगी? 5 यूनिट्स. राइट हैंड साइड लेयर को रिमूव कर दो, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेयर को भी रिमूव कर दो, तो यू विल गेट 4 पीसेस हेयर. यहां पे 4 लेयर बनेंगे ना बेटे. ऐसे 6 लेयर्स हैं. Out of 6 layers, right layer has green color, left layer has blue color. तो 2 layers are removed. We are left with 4 layers. अब front और back को remove करने की जरूरत नहीं है because they don't have a color. Front पे there is no color, back side में there is no color. तो इस टाइप से कितने layers बचेंगे? 6 layers. तो अब height कितनी बची है? Height is 5. Length के along there are 4 now. And breadth के along ऐसे कितने हैं? 6. Now how many pieces are there? 120 pieces. These are the only 2 possible cases कि या तो 120 pieces बनेंगे या फिर 125 pieces बनेंगे. I hope this is clear. तो इसका जो सॉल्यूशन गिवन है वो गलत दिया हुआ बच्चे, उसको थोड़ा सा रेक्टिफाई कर लेना. ठीक है ना, उसमें गलत आंसर दिया हुआ है। तो हेयर आवर आंसर हैज टू बी 120 से लेके 125 की रेंज में बनेंगी, तो इसको भी थोड़ा सा करेक्ट कर लेना। This will be n has to be minimum 120 and maximum 125. There are two possible cases. This will be the correct answer. I think कि जो ऑप्शन दिया हुआ वो इस सी दे रखा होगा आंसर, ठीक है ना, दैट इज रॉन्ग। आगे बढ़े। This is regarding the reading comprehension. Now 15th question. पहले तो क्वेश्चन को देखो बेटा, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट नेसेसरली ट्रू। नॉट नेसेसरली ट्रू। A is brother of B. So males are represented with a rectangle or a square and female with a circle. A is brother of B. B is brother of C. C is brother of D. D is sister of E. तो बच्चे E क्या होगा यहाँ पे? E का जेंडर नहीं बता सकते ना हम, वी कांट टेल द जेंडर ऑफ E. E may be their sister or brother, two possibilities exist. So which of the following is not necessarily true? First, D is sister of C. Yes, D is the sister of all of them. B and C are brothers. Yes, both are male, they are brothers. A, B, C are males. Yes. And D is female. Yes. D and E are sisters. That is wrong, because we are not sure whether E will be a sister or a brother. So D need not to be true. Not necessarily true. E can be sister also. Two possible cases exist. Question says that the following sequence is generated by dividing 55 by natural numbers. 55 by natural numbers. तो बच्चे 55 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो what is the remainder? Any number is completely divisible by 1, so remainder will be 0. 55 को अगर आप 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, when you are dividing it by 2, what is the remainder? 1. When 55 is divided by 3, 3 18s are 54, remainder is 1. Remainder is 1, na? 3 8s are 54, remainder is 1. Then 55 divided by 4, what is the remainder? 4 से डिवाइड करोगे बच्चे, 4 13s are 52, remainder is 3. Are you getting the same series? 0 1 1 3. Next 55 divided by 5, what is the remainder? 0. It is completely divisible, so we are getting the same series. Next क्या होना चाहिए? 55 divided by 6, 6 9s are 54, remainder will be 1. तो यहां पे ब्लैंक ये वाला स्पेस फिल करना है ना आपको. x, what is the value of x? What will come here? 1. That is the answer. Okay, you can check the next term also. 55 divided by 6, 7 7s are 49, remainder is 6. Yes, next term is 6. Now 55 divided by 8, 8 6 are 48, remainder will be 7. So you are getting those terms also, 6 and 7 later on. Okay बच्चे. Four person A, B, C and D are positioned at the four corners of the piece of a plot as shown in the figure. From their original position, B and D move 1.5 length of the side in clockwise order. B and D are moving 1.5 side in clockwise order. Then which of the following must be true? Which of the following must be true? So B 1.5 time, 1.5. So B will come here. What about D? D will go 1.5 here. D will be here. So can I say D is closer to A as compared to C? D किसके पास है बच्चे? D A के पास है. D is closer to A as compared to C. Similarly, B is closer to C as compared to A. So which one? C option. D is closer to A than he is to C, and B is closer to C than he is to A. Answer will be option C. Now let's see the next one. One man can do as much work in 2 days as a transgender can do in 3 days. So who is more efficient here? Man is more efficient now. 2 days work of a man is same as 3 days work of a transgender. So efficiency of man and transgender will be 3/2. So it means if a man is doing 3 units of work, then a transgender can do 2 units of work. A woman does 3/4 the work in a day as transgender do. So women's efficiency is 3/4 the efficiency of a transgender. So women upon transgender. If you know the value of the transgender's value we have got 2 ना, हमने 2 माना है. If a transgender is doing 2 units of work, then what about the women's work? 3/4 into 2. So that is coming out to be 3/2 units or 1.5 units. Women will be doing 1.5 units of work. Okay. This is their one day work. In one day, man can do 3 units, transgender can do 2 units, then women will be able to do 1.5 units. ये रेज कर दूं ये वाला पार्ट. A contractor hired 76 pairs of hands. 76 pairs of hands. That is men, transgenders and women in the ratio 8:7:4. So if there are number of men, transgenders and women, their ratio is 8:7:4. If there are 8x men, then transgenders will be 7x and women will be 4x. Total how many people will be there? 19x. Total number of people will be 19x. So the person need how many hands? How many people are there? Total कितने person है? बोलो बच्चे, total how many people are there? He hired 76 pairs of hands. 38 people, no? So that is equal to 38. 76 hands are there. So x is equal to 2. So it means there are 2 men. X is equal to 2. So there are 16 men, 14 transgenders and 8 women are there. तो बच्चे कितना काम कर सकते हैं वो? How many units of work they can complete? Total work. 16 men will do how many units of work? 16 into 3. 14 women will do 14 into 2. What about 14 transgenders and 8 women will do how many units of work? 8 into 1.5. Total work 48. 28 plus 1.5 into 8 is 12. So this is coming out to be 88 units. They can do 88 units of work, and for this 88 unit they are paid 8800 rupees. What is the value of 1 unit of work? 88 units of work is equivalent to 8800 rupees. तो 1 unit की value कितनी होगी बच्चे? 1 unit will be 100 rupees. 88 units are equivalent to 8800 rupees. So from here we can say 1 unit will be equal to 100 rupees. 1 unit of work will be equivalent to 100 rupees. We have to find the amount of the, what must be the daily wage of a transgender? A transgender is doing 2 units of work, and for every single unit you are paid 100 rupees. तो इसका सैलरी कितनी होगी बच्चे पर डे? कितना मिलेगा? 200 rupees. Men will get 300, transgender will get 200, and a woman will get 150 rupees. We have to find the value of transgender, that is 200 rupees. Any problem till here? Okay. Now this question, 3 statements are followed by conclusion 1 and 2. You have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance with the commonly known facts, and just the conclusion on the basis. Some fruities are maja. Some fruities are maja. So we are sure about this region only. Next, no maja is slice. तो slice का जो circle बनेगा बच्चे, that can be completely a distinct circle. Slice and fruity can have something common. ठीक है ना? We do not have a information regarding maja and regarding the fruity and the slice. 2 possible cases. One case slice will come here. Another case slice can fruity, maja and slice. Slice can be like that also. Next, all slice are Fanta. Slice is a subset of Fanta. Fanta इसके ऊपर complete आएगा बच्चे. Fanta इनको भी overtake कर सकता है. Fanta can intersect like these also. ठीक है ना? तो we are not sure where will Fanta go. In this case, Fanta can completely overtake this also. Conclusion देखते बच्चे. You have to try to negate it. आपको कोशिश करना है कि you should look for an option which is contradicting this statement. Some fruities are definitely not slice. Are you sure? We are sure. Some fruities are definitely not slice. देखो बेटा, fruity कभी माजा नहीं हो सकती. But this portion, these fruities are maja. These fruities are maja. They cannot be slice. देखो स्लाइस सिर्फ इसको इधर वाले पोर्शन में आ सकता है स्लाइस, बट स्लाइस कैन नॉट हैव दीज वैल्यूज विद इन देम. सो सेइंग सम फ्रूटीज आर डेफिनेटली नॉट स्लाइस, डेफिनेटली ट्रू. These fruities are maja, so they cannot be slice. This is correct. So from here also we are talking about these fruities. These fruities are maja, so they cannot be slice. Next, some Fantas are definitely not maja. Some Fantas are definitely not maja. कह सकते हो क्या? Fanta अलग है ना बच्चे? Some Fantas are definitely not maja. Are you sure about that? Some Fantas are definitely not maja. Yes. देखो बच्चे, Fanta इसको ओवरटेक करेगा पूरा का पूरा. Fanta. Even if Fanta can completely overtake this maja also. But जो Fanta slice है, they cannot be maja. It means Fanta का वो portion, that portion of Fanta which is sliced, that cannot be maja. So it means some Fantas are definitely not maja. Some Fantas which are sliced, they cannot be maja. This is also correct. You can't say कि some maja are not Fanta, because Fanta can completely overtake this also. But Fanta में slice है, and that slice is not maja. So it means some Fantas are definitely not maja. This is also correct. Answer will be both conclusion 1 and 2. Okay. In a party, out of total guests, 60% are women. Let the total number of people is 100. Women are 60, men will be 40. 80% of the guests are married couples. इस चीज का ध्यान रखना बच्चे. 80% of the guests, it means there are total 80 people are present there as a couple. As a couple. Couple means one husband and one wife, that you call a couple. So इस 80 में can I say 40 men and 40 women will be there? These are married people and these are the married couples. So 40 women and 40 men will be there. अब हम unmarried की बात करेंगे. So there will be 20 unmarried. Out of 60 women, 40 are married, 20 are unmarried. Out of 40 male, all are married. So no unmarried male is there. Which of the following statement is correct? First, all men are married. Yes. 40 men were there, all are married. Next, more than 30% of the women are unmarried. There are 60 women. Out of 60, 20 are unmarried. They are 33.33%. 20 unmarried women out of 60. So that is coming out to be 33.33%. This is more than 30%. This is also correct. Answer will be both 1 and 2. Any problem till here? Okay. Next part. How many ordered pair of x, y and z exist such that their sum is coming out to be 21 and x, y, z are natural numbers divisible by 3. तो एक काम कर लेते बेटा. Let x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 3b and z is equal to 3c. They are multiple of 3 na. So 3a plus 3b plus 3c, that is equal to 21. 3 से we can cancel out na. A plus B plus C will be equal to 7. ओके बच्चे, चलिए. तो अब यहाँ पे स्टार बना के लिखो. If A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus AR is equal to N, then number of positive integer solutions. Number of positive integer solutions. That is n minus 1 C R minus 1. N minus 1 C R minus 1. In this case, what is n? N is 7. So this will be 7 minus 1 C. How many terms are there? 3 terms. So R is equal to 3. We are breaking this into R parts. Here we are breaking into 3 parts. So that will be 3 minus 1. So this will become 62. 62 क्या बनेगा बच्चे? ऊपर आप 2 numbers लिखेंगे 6 and 5. Bottom पे 2 numbers 2 and 1. So you can cancel out by 2. So that is coming out to be 15. There are 15 such solutions. NCR का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बच्चे? NCR n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So 6C2 will be written as 6 factorial into 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial. अब आप 6 factorial को ऐसे लिखो 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 4 factorial as it is लिख दिया. This part will get cancelled. तो ये होगा ना 6C2 है तो ऊपर आप 2 ही टर्म्स बचेंगे 6 and 5. बॉटम पे बॉटम 2 टर्म्स बचेंगे 2 and 1. आंसर इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 15. क्लियर है? अदरवाइज आप वैसे भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो बच्चे. इफ a इज इक्वल टू 1 देन b प्लस c विल बी 6. b प्लस c इज 6. उसके 5 ऑप्शन बनेंगे बच्चे. b प्लस c इज 6. दैट इज 1 5 2 4 3 4 5 1 2 3. ये 5 सॉल्यूशन बने. इफ a इज इक्वल टू 2 देन b प्लस c विल बी हाउ मच 5. 5 होने के लिए 1 4 2 3 4. These 4 solutions. If a is equal to 3 तो b प्लस c कितना बनेगा 4. 4 होने के लिए 1 3 2 2 3 1. What if a is 4 then b plus c will be 2. b plus c will be 3. 3 होने के लिए 2 possible cases 1 2 and 2 1. If a is 5 then b plus c will be 2. There is only one possibility 1 1. टोटल कितने सॉल्यूशन बने 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12 plus 2 14 plus 1 15. There are 15 solutions existing. और ये नंबर्स नहीं होंगे हमारे. These are not the values of x. These are the values of a b c. x y z will be 3 times of them. तो पहला सॉल्यूशन बनेगा 3 3 15 then 3 6 12. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना बच्चे. एक्स वाई जेड की वैल्यूज निकालनी है आपने. तो एक्स वाई जेड आर 3a 3b एंड 3c. क्लियर है? The birthday of a child X falls on Monday 1st Jan 2020. This was a Monday. तो इससे 1st Jan 2021 पे जब हम जाएंगे बच्चे, from here to here this will be 365 days or 366. 366 ना, because 2020 was a leap year. 29 Feb will also come. तो जब भी 29 Feb आएगा तो you have to move 2 days extra. 2 days extra. Why 2 days extra? Because 366 when divided by 7, 7 5s are 35. We are left with 1. It becomes 16. 7 2s are 14. We are left with 2. तो 366 days में there are 2 extra days. तो आपको 2 दिन आगे शिफ्ट करना है. You have to move forward 2 days. So Monday plus 2 is Wednesday. Then 22 में जाएंगे तो 1 day extra, that is Thursday. 23 में जाएंगे तो 1 day extra, this will be Friday. 24 में जाएंगे तो we are at the 1st January only. तो 29 Feb of 2024 will come later on. तो इस इंटरवल में तो नहीं आएगा. You have to add only 1. That will be Saturday. But 1st January 2025 पे जब हम जाएंगे तो in this interval 29 Feb 2024 will also fall. तो एक दिन और आगे चले जाएंगे तो 2 days extra जाना पड़ेगा आपको. So you have to move forward 2 days. Saturday plus 2 days, that is Monday. So 2020 1st January was Monday and 1st January 2025 is also Monday. तो next Monday कब आया है? 25 में. That will be the answer. बोलो बच्चे, कोई भी confusion? Okay. Next, what is the sum of first 50 even integers? First 50 even integers. But what is the sum of n natural numbers? Sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. But here we are getting even numbers. The first number will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus last number will be 100. Can I take 2 common? 2 common लोगे तो what you will get? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 50. इसमें फॉर्मूला लगा दो बच्चे. 2 times of n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This 2 you can cancel out. So simply you can say n into n plus 1. That will come out to be 0, 5, 25. 2550. 2550. This is one method. Second method, consecutive even numbers is an AP, arithmetic progression, at a gap of 2. So we know that average of the AP is average of the first and the last term. तो आप क्या करोगे बच्चे? First term plus last term divided by 2. This is the average. Total will be equal to average into the number of terms. ऐसे कर लो. ठीक है बच्चे? पहले तो क्वेश्चन देख लेते. हाउ मेनी ऑफ द अबव स्टेटमेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फाइंड हु परचेज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स. वी हैव टू फाइंड हु परचेज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स. उसके लिए हाउ मेनी स्टेटमेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? 6 investors, Kavita, Lakshman, Manish, Neeraj, Om and Parvati purchased different number of shares of HUL company. No two person purchased the same number of shares. It is known that 3% bought more than the shares that Kavita bought but less than Om. 3% bought. अगर मैं इनको इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखूंगा बच्चे, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 3% bought more than Kavita but less than Om. तो इसका मतलब कविता कहां पे होगी बच्चे? कविता, then 3% got more than, there are 3% who bought more shares than Kavita but less than Om. There are 3% between Kavita and Om. These 3 people bought more than Kavita but less than Om in the increasing order. Second, Parvati, who purchased 37, purchased less than Neeraj. Parvati purchased 37, which is less than Neeraj. This is the second statement. Next one, Manish purchased 34 shares. Manish purchased 34 shares, which is less than that of Lakshman. Fourth, when they are arranged in the ascending order, the number of shares bought by Manish and Lakshman are adjacent. And we know that Manish got 34. So Manish and then Lakshman. Manish के just बाद में Lakshman आएगा. Lakshman purchased more shares. Om did not purchase the maximum number of shares. So Om did not purchase the maximum number of shares. अब इंफॉर्मेशन यूज करते हैं, हु बोट द मैक्सिमम, तो उसके लिए ओम डिड नॉट परचेज द मैक्सिमम, सो ओम कौन सी प्लेस पे आएगा बच्चे, बिकॉज कविता एंड ओम हैव 4% बिटवीन देम, ओम विल बी एट फिफ्थ, then 3 blanks and Kavita. So it means we have used fifth and first. ये अभी यूज कर लिया, but from here are we getting who got the maximum? नहीं पता. अब इस स्टेटमेंट को यूज करो बेटा. M and L they will occupy 2 consecutive places. M bought 34 और M के जस्ट बाद में L होगा, तो कहना ही से L हैज टू कम बिफोर P. होगा ना बच्चे? M, after that L, and P has more than that, N has more than him. So it means by using all the statements, सभी इस statement को use करोगे तो then we will get to know that N, and that is Neeraj. By using all the 5 statements, we got to know that Neeraj got the maximum number of shares. I hope it is clear. ओम एंड कविता नहीं बच्चे, ये इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिख रहे हैं ना. ये कह रहा है कि 3% बोट मोर देन कविता एंड लेस देन ओम, तो ओम का स्कोर ज्यादा हो, ओम बोट मोर ना. यू कांट इंटरचेंज. इट इज नॉट सिंपली देर आर 3% बिटवीन ओम एंड कविता. इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन दैट दोज 3% आर गेटिंग मोर देन कविता एंड लेस देन ओम. ओके. On a typical day, a restaurant sells n green sandwiches for $P. What should be the total sales? Sales is equal to number of items into price of the item. Today, however, the manager reduced the price of the grilled sandwich by 30%. What is the new price? 70% of P. This is the new price. As a result, he sold 50% more than he usually say. So number of items sold is 150% of the original value. You can cancel this. That will be 3 upon 2. You can cancel out this. So what you are getting? 3 7 ja 21 by 20. 21 upon 20 P. That is coming out to be 20 से cancel out करेंगे तो what you will get? 21.05 N into P. 1.05 NP, that is B. NP was the original sales and now the sales will be 5% more, that is 1.05 NP. Confusion है बच्चे? हाँ जी, प्लीज रिप्लाई. रिपीट करें. टोटल बिल कैसे निकालते हो? टोटल सेल्स, दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स इनटू द प्राइस ऑफ द आइटम. लेट द नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स वाज n एंड प्राइस वाज p, तो टोटल सेल्स वर n इंटू p. अब प्राइस क्या हो गया? 30% रिड्यूस, प्राइस इज 70% ऑफ p and number of sales increases by 50%. 50%, that is 150% of n. तो इसे सोल्व करेंगे तो 21 upon 20 p, 21 upon 20 into np. So 21 upon 20 is equal to 1.05 n into p. So answer will be B. Okay. Which one of the following is correct? Question is, what is the relation of Irapalli with Bhavna. There are 5 members. We have to find the relationship between Irapalli and Bhavna. First, Abhinav and Bhavna are married couples. A and B, they are married couple, but who is husband, who is wife, we don't know. Next, Deepu is father of C. Deepu is father of C, Chandra. Irapalli is Deepu's son. Irapalli is Deepu's son. Abhinav and Chandra are sisters. Abhinav and Chandra, they are sisters. We have to find how is E related to B. For that we need to know the gender of E. And E का gender हमें पता चला किससे? थर्ड स्टेटमेंट से. तो इट मीन्स थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज यूज्ड. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में बी और कहीं पे नहीं है, तो वी हैव टू यूज फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो. सो यूज फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो. एंड अब देखो बच्चे, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को और थर्ड को कनेक्ट करने के लिए वी नीड सम कनेक्शन बिटवीन देम. एंड कनेक्शन बी का किसके साथ है? ए के साथ है. ठीक है ना? सो वी आर यूजिंग दैट ऑल्सो. एंड ए को और डी को कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? ए को सी से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा एंड सी को डी से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू यूज सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ऑल्सो. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड को यूज करेंगे तो वी गोट टू नो दैट ए इज ए फीमेल, Abhinav is wife, and Bhavna will be husband. यहाँ पे नाम थोड़े से अनयूजुअल ले रखे हैं. जनरली क्या होता है, अभिनव इज ए मेल एंड भावना फीमेल, बट यहाँ पे उल्टा बनेगा. अभिनव एंड क्या नाम था? सी, चंदा, दे आर सिस्टर्स. दे आर सिस्टर्स. नाउ C is, D is father of C. D is father of C. And A is, this also we have used. And D की एक dot, D का एक son है बच्चे, E. D's son is E, so that E has to be brother of C. E has to be brother of C. By the combination of these, we can say that E is brother-in-law of B. Question is, what is the relation of E with B? How is E related to B? E is brother of the wife. ठीक है ना? Brother-in-law. और कैसे पता चला? By using all the 4 statements. Twenty-ninth. If the cost of living in a certain city increases by 20% in the 10 years from 1980 to 1990, if here it was 100 units, now it will become 120, and increases by 50% in 20 years from 1980 to 2000. So here we are taking 1980 as the reference. This is 100, so this will become 150. Now you have to find how much percentage change is there. This 120 becomes 150. देखो बेटा, 120 to 150, what is the percentage change? कितना? 120 become 150. There is a growth of 30 on 120 into 100. So that is coming out to be 25%. From here to here, this is 10%. This will be 25%. Sorry, this was 20% and 25%. Okay. 100 become 120. Now 120 has to become 150. How much percentage increase is there? Student को लगता होगा कि 30 का increase है तो 30% होगा. No. Here reference is 120. 30 upon 120. consider the following statements: A, B, C and D are whole numbers such that which of the above conclusions are true. So these are three statements. We have to find which of these is true. एक काम करते बेटा, if I add all these four equations, सभी को ऐड करोगे तो A is coming how many times? 3 times. B is coming 3 times. C is coming 3 times. D is also coming 3 times. तो अगर आप इन्हें ऐड करेंगे तो you will get 3 times A plus 3 times of B plus 3 times C plus 3 times D. What will be the value you are getting? 6 plus 8. चलो ऐड करके बताओ, what is the total value you are getting? 6 plus 8, 14 plus 8, 22 plus 4, 26. 2 is left. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 9, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 6, 23. 2 plus 4, 6. 3 can be taken common. 3 times A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 636. 3 से cancel out कर देंगे बच्चे. If you cancel out by 3, what you will get? 2, 1, 2. This is the value of sum of all four. अब इसमें अगर मैं फर्स्ट इक्वेशन की बात करूंगा, in this case B plus C plus D are present. B plus C plus D is equal to 146. तो इसमें क्या मिसिंग है? If you put the value of B plus C plus D, what value you will get? A का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. A will be how much? 212 minus combined value of this is 146. ठीक है बच्चे. नेक्स्ट, C plus D plus A is given. तो C plus D plus A is given. If I substitute the value of A plus C plus D, I will get the value of B. तो B का वैल्यू कैसे आएगा बच्चे? B is equal to total value 212 minus the value of A plus C plus D. A plus C plus D is 198. That is equal to 14. नेक्स्ट, ये 4 देखो बच्चे, इसमें क्या मिसिंग है? C is missing. A plus B plus D is given, तो we can find the value of C. We have to find the value of C. C will be equal to total minus A plus B plus D. A plus B plus D is 164. 212 minus 164, that is 48. D निकालने के लिए टोटल 212 minus A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is in the third equation. A plus B plus C is 128. So subtract 128 from here. 72 plus 12, that is 84. Okay. We got the value of all of these. So B is the minimum. D is the maximum. First, B is the smallest number and B is equal to 14. Yes, this is correct. देखो बच्चे, जहां पे and होता है, and means both the things has to be true. B has to be the smallest and B is 14. Yes, na? B is smallest and B is equal to 14. Next, D is the largest number and D is equal to 86. That is wrong. D is largest, that is the true, but D is not equal to 86. This is wrong. A is the largest or A is equal to 66. A is not the largest, but A is equal to 66. Here it is or. Or का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? At least one of the two statement has to be true. This is wrong, but this is true na? So you will consider this overall statement to be true or false. It is true ना? And का मतलब होता है दोनों true होना चाहिए. और का मतलब है at least one of these. So 1 and 3 are true. 2 is false. Okay, 1 and 3 will be the answer. ऐसा तो नहीं कि मैं फास्ट पढ़ा रहा हूं बच्चे? In a clock, the total angle is 360 degree. Angle in a circle is 360 degree. This 360 degree, when divided it into 12 equal parts, what is the gap between consecutive readings? बोलो बच्चे. 12 and 1 के बीच में what is the angle? 30 degree ना? So 360 degree when divided into 12 equal parts, each part will be equal to 30 degree apart. Each part is 30 degree. Accurate clock shows 9 o'clock. So our hand was at 9. When the our hand has moved 150 degree, 150 degree, तो 5 readings apart ना बच्चे, 5 reading आगे जाओगे आप, तो after 5 hours what will be the time? 2 o'clock ना? This will be 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. So this angle will be 150 degree, that is at 2 o'clock. Our hand moves 30 degree in 1 hour. So to move 150 degree, it will take 5 hours. So after 5 hours, 9 plus 5 is 2 o'clock. 2 p.m. will be the answer. A group of 654 individuals is arranged in rows. Each row contains 9 less individuals than the row in front of it. Let the first row has A, next will have A minus 9, 9 less na? Next will have A minus 18, then A minus 27, A minus 36 and so on. 654 is the total. Which of the following, what number of rows are possible? In this case we have to check for the given options. हाँ जी बच्चे, क्या इन टू कैन द टोटल ऑफ दीज टू बी इक्वल टू 654? इन दोनों का टोटल 654 हो सकता है क्या? नहीं, बिकॉज इफ दिस इज इवन दिस विल बी ऑड, इफ दिस इज ऑड दिस विल बी इवन. ऑड प्लस इवन कैन नॉट बी इवन. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट 4 का ट्राई करते बच्चे. अगर हम इन चारों को ऐड करेंगे तो व्हाट विल बी द टोटल? 4a minus 9 minus 18 minus 27, that is coming out to be minus 36 minus 54. Minus 54, that is equal to 654. Check करके देखो, is it possible? So if a is coming out to be a positive integer, then it is possible. If a is coming out to be a fraction, then not possible. We can say 4a is equal to 54 will go there, it will become 708. Is 708 divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible. So 4 is possible. When I am taking the first 4 rows, I can break 654 into 4 rows such that the difference between consecutive rows is 9. P, Q, R and S are distinct single digit negative integers. These are single digit negative integers. What is the least possible value of P plus Q plus R plus S? इसकी लीस्ट वैल्यू निकालनी है बच्चे. तो एक काम करो, can I say if both of these are negative, then this will be negative, this will also be negative, so product will be positive. तो एक काम करते हैं, इनको -1, -2, -3, -4, ये लो बच्चे. So this is coming out to be -3 into -7. Answer will be positive. That will be 21. So minimum sum. Out of the given option also this is the minimum. That's it. Shyam and Radhika paid a total of 63 rupees for a certain number of plates, certain plates of poha and jalebi. Poha cost 8 rupees. So if there are p plates of poha, cost will be 8p. And a plate of jalebi cost 5 rupees. Let j plates of jalebi are taken. So their cost will be 5j. That is equal to 63 rupees. Okay. अब देखो बच्चे p and j they have to be positive integers. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होने चाहिए ना ये. तो एक काम करते हैं, कैन आई से 5j इज इक्वल टू 63 minus 8p and j will be equal to 63 minus 8p divided by 5. j का वैल्यू इंटीजर कब होगा? जब p का वैल्यू 1 रखने पे बनेगी बात. p 1 रखने पे होगा क्या? नो. देखो बच्चे p को 1 रखोगे तो 63 minus 8 बन तो रही है. If you put p is equal to 1, then 63 minus 8 is 55. अरे बोलो बेटा, हो पा रहा है? So if I am putting p is equal to 1, then what is the value of j? 1 put करोगे तो this will be 63 minus 8, that is 55, divided by 5. What is the value? 11 ना. This is one case. अब second case देखते. Whenever you are getting one case, after that what you do? Value of p will be changing according to the coefficient of j, and value of j will change according to the coefficient of p. अब p का आपने मिनिमम वैल्यू लिया है, तो p का नेक्स्ट वैल्यू 5 से इंक्रीज करेंगे, तो p will be equal to 6. If p is equal to 6, then j will decrease by 8. 8 से डिक्रीज करोगे तो j का वैल्यू क्या आएगा बच्चे? 8 माइनस करोगे तो 3. दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. आप चेक कर सकते हो. p को अगर आप 6 रखेंगे, then this will be 48. 63 minus 48. If p is equal to 6, then this will be 48. 63 minus 48, that is 15. 15 divided by 5. Value of j is coming out to be 3. These are two possible cases. तो कौन से ज्यादा परचेज किए हैं? पोहा ज्यादा यूज किया है कि जलेबी? कैन नॉट बी डिटरमिन्ड. इफ आई टेक द फर्स्ट केस, देन जलेबी प्लेट्स आर मोर. सेकेंड केस में पोहा इज मोर. वी आर हैविंग टू सॉल्यूशंस, सो वी कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग. बोथ पॉसिबिलिटीज एग्जिस्ट. वी कैन नॉट डिटरमाइन वेदर दे एट मोर पोहा और जलेबी. कंफ्यूजन है क्या? Next, 10 coins are distributed among 4 people, P, Q, R and S, such that one of them get 1 coin, another got 2 coin, and the third gets 3 coins, and fourth get 4 coins. It is known that Q gets more than P. Main information में दिया है Q got more than P. Q gets more than P and S gets less than R. S gets less than R. If the number of coins given to Q is twice the number given to P, Q is twice the number given to P, it means P को 1 देंगे तो Q को 2 देना पड़ेगा बच्चे, डबल. Q is twice ना. Any other possible case? If P is 2, then Q will be 4. ठीक है, चलो अब R और S की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. फर्स्ट केस में R got more than S. R got more than S. Which values are left? 3 and 4 are left. So R will get 4, S will get 3. R got more than S. Next case, 2 and 4 are already taken. So बाकी values क्या बची हैं? 1 and 3 बची है बेटा. 1 and 3. So R got more than S. So R will get 3, S will get 1. What you can conclude? R gets even number. No, here even, here odd, both possible. B, R gets odd number, we cannot say. S gets an even number, no. S gets an odd number, yes. In both the cases, S is getting even number. Okay? Clear hai? Three questions are there. It is given that इसी के ऊपर बेस्ड है ना. Q gets more than P, Q is more than P, S is less than R. Known that Q is more than P, S is less than R. 40th question. R get at least 2 more than S. R gets at least 2 more than S. At least 2 more than S. If S is getting 1, then R will get 3. If he is getting 1, he may get 3 more also. Another possibility, if S is getting 2, then R will get minimum 2 more. ये 3 cases बनेंगे बच्चे. और P और Q में Q will get more than P. So here 1, 3 is gone, 2 and 4 is left, 4 and 2. 1 and 4 is taken, so this will be 3, this will be 2. 2 and 4 are taken, so we are left with 3 and 1. This will be 3, this is 1. So these are the only possible cases. Which one of the following is necessarily true? First, Q get at least 2 more than P. Q get at least 2 more than P. No, here to Q is getting 1 more, na? है ना? Not at least 2 more. Next, Q gets more than S. Yes. In all the cases, Q is getting more than S. So, B is correct answer. Q gets fewer than R. Q gets less than R. So from this, Q get more than P and R get more than Q. R get more than S also. So it means R will get the maximum. Can I say this? Can I say R will get the maximum? R की value S से ज़्यादा है बच्चे. R की value Q से ज़्यादा and Q is greater than P. So it means R will get the maximum. So R will get 4. Can we substitute the value of S? S का जरूरी नहीं है कि कहाँ पे आएगा S. तो first part, P and Q together get the at least 4 coins. Up here you have to make the cases. अब इसमें ऐसा कैसे हुआ बच्चे, सॉरी, आर इज हैविंग मैक्सिमम ना, आर विल गेट 4, आर को 4 मिले हैं, तो दिस कंडीशन तो ऑलवेज सेटिस्फाइड, आर इज ग्रेटर देन एस। तो अब क्यू और पी को देखते बच्चे, 2 1 3 1 4 2, और कोई पॉसिबल, सॉरी 4 2 नहीं, 3 2, एनी अदर पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है ना, 1 2, S will get 3, here 2, here 1. Which of the following is not necessarily true? First, P and Q get at least 4. P and Q, no, in this case, so P and Q are getting 3. So this statement is wrong, na? So this will be our answer. P and Q can have total 3 also. That is possible. P and Q can have 3, 4 or 5. So we can't say that they have at least 4. समझ पा रहे हो बेटा? इसमें ये बताना which of the following is not necessarily true. So this statement is false. We have to find the false statement. How many pair of natural numbers are there such that the difference of their squares is 39? Such that there, how will you proceed here, beta? If this is an odd number, then the answer will be half the number of factors of the number. If this is an odd number, then our answer will be half the number of factors. Why so? Because let me consider how many pair of natural numbers, x and y are the natural numbers, then we can say x square minus y square is equal to 39. This is a case. So here, can I write this as x minus y into x plus y? ऐसा दो ही तरीके से संभव है. 39 has 4 factors, तो one possibility 1 and 39, another possibility 3 and 13. Is there any other possibility? नहीं ना? So answer will be only 2 ways. आपको निकालना नहीं है कि what are the ways. You have to just tell how many ways it is possible. But मैं आपको बता भी दूंगा from here what values you are getting. तो first case, if x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 39, then upon adding you will get 2y is equal to 40. So from here we can say y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 अगर यहाँ पे पुट करूंगा तो I'll get x is equal to 19. तो फर्स्ट केस बनेगा x is 19, सॉरी, अगर दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे तो वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ 2x. 2x is equal to 40, so x is 20 and y is 19. You can check 20 square minus 19 square, that is equal to 39. 20 into 19 into 20 plus 19. Yes. Second case, if x minus y is equal to 3 and x plus y is equal to 13, upon adding what you will get, 2x is equal to 2x is 16, x will be 8. Substituting here, y will be 5. So second case will be 8 square minus 5 square. This is also 39. These are the two possible cases. तो इतना डिटेल में आपको निकालना नहीं है. If this is an odd number, you simply do one thing, half the number of factors of the given number. Okay. half the number of factors of 39. 39 के कितने factors बनेंगे? 4 ना? 39 has 4 factors. 1, 3, 13 and 39. These are 4 factors. So answer will be half. Half of this matlab. Half of 4, that is 2. Three views of a cube are given below. Out of the 4 options given, one option which does not confirm the original cube. तो बच्चे फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड में अगर आप देखोगे a is common, so you can apply a rule here. Start from the common number and write them in the clockwise order. You will write A, B, C. Here A, D, E. It means C and E must be opposite, B and D must be opposite. बाकी क्या बचा है? F. So the third pair will be A and F. They will be opposite. They are the opposite pairs. तो कभी भी opposite pairs नहीं दिखेंगे आपको, ठीक है ना? Opposite pairs are not visible in the same view. We have to find which option does not confirm the original figure. कोई ऐसा है क्या जिसमें AF, BD और CE एक साथ दिख रहे हैं? AF visible? No. BD visible? No. CE visible? In this case, C and E both are visible. So this figure is not possible because C and E has to be on the opposite sides. So this figure is not possible. Our answer will be C. Okay. देखो बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा डिस्प्यूट है. नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स दैट कैन बी फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम ए सेट ऑफ 5 पैरेलल लाइंस इंटरसेक्टिंग another set of 5 parallel lines. So we cannot say that they will be squares. Instead of squares, let us talk about the parallelograms. Because square होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? These lines should be equidistant. और जो ऐसी horizontal lines भी बनेंगी उनका गैप और वर्टिकल लाइंस का गैप सेम होना चाहिए ना. बट हियर तो दीज आर 5 पैरेलल लाइंस. देयर कैन बी अदर 5 लाइंस लाइक दैट ऑल्सो. दे मे हैव लेस स्पेस ऑल्सो. सो वी कांट से दिस. नहीं कह सकते ना कि स्क्वायर. तो हियर लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द पैरेललोग्राम्स. Five lines are there. Here you write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. देखो बेटा अगर ऐसा दे दिया जाए कि these are vertical lines, these are horizontal lines, and the gap between the lines here and here is same. In that case अगर आपको square find करना है तो square के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करते हो आप? Take the largest number in a row and largest number in a column. That is 4 into 4 plus largest number in a row. The next number दोनों में से 1 1 minus करो. This will become 3 into 3. Next will become 2 into 2. Next दोनों में से 1 1 minus करेंगे, you will get 1 into 1. So what value you are getting? 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. That is coming out to be 30. ये 30 होते स्क्वायर्स. बट इन दिस केस वी आर नॉट श्योर कि वो स्क्वायर बनेंगे बिकॉज वी आर नॉट श्योर वेदर दे आर परपेंडिकुलर एंड गैप्स आर सेम। ठीक है ना, तो हम यहाँ पे पैरेललोग्राम की बात करेंगे। पैरेललोग्राम के लिए बच्चे क्या बनेगा? पैरेललोग्राम के लिए you take the sum of all the numbers in a row and sum of all the numbers in a column, then multiply 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, multiply it with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so that will be 10 into 10, answer will be 100. There are 100 parallelograms or rectangles you can say. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप काउंट कर रहे हो स्क्वायर्स, देन वी हैव टू अज्यूम दैट, थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा हमें लैंग्वेज में। अगर पैरेललोग्राम्स की बात करेंगे तो 100 हैज टू बी द आंसर। अब इसमें अगर स्क्वायर पूछा जाए तो आंसर विल बी कैन नॉट बी डिटरमिन्ड, इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन अदर कंडीशंस आल्सो। तो इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा। नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स दैट कैन बी फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम ए सेट ऑफ 5 पैरेलल लाइंस इंटरसेक्टिंग बाय a set of 5 parallel lines which are perpendicular to earlier lines and gap between the consecutive lines of both the sets is same, अगर ये कंडीशन होगी तभी हम स्क्वायर बोलेंगे उसको। ठीक है ना, these 5 lines and the other set of 5 lines they have to be perpendicular and their gaps has to be same. In that case our answer will be 30. Okay. A sum of money at simple interest amount to 215 rupees. बेटा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में क्या होता है, प्रिंसिपल इज कांस्टेंट और द अमाउंट विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग बाय द सेम वैल्यू। ठीक है ना, तो इसमें हम मान के चलते हैं कि P इज द प्रिंसिपल एंड 1 year इंटरेस्ट इज X रुपीज। सो व्हाट इज दिस 215? प्रिंसिपल प्लस 2 years इंटरेस्ट, that is 215, and 2 rupees 255 in 3 years. What should be the second equation? क्या बनेगा बच्चे? प्रिंसिपल प्लस 3 year इंटरेस्ट, P plus 3x, that is 255. From here second equation में से first को अगर आप माइनस करेंगे तो what you will get? X is equal to how much? 40. We can substitute the value of X 40 in the first equation. Principal plus 2 into 40, that is equal to 215. So principal will be equal to 215 minus 2 into 40 is 80. So that is 135, 135. This is the answer. Principal will be 135 rupees. Okay. You can check 1 year, देखो 2 years में हुआ 215, 3 years में हो गया 255. So it means for the third year interest is 40 rupees. तो हर साल में 40 rupees इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो 2 years interest will be 80 rupees. So this includes 80 rupees as of the interest. 215 में 80 rupees इंटरेस्ट का है, तो प्रिंसिपल कितना होगा? 80 लेस देन दिस. इन सीरीज रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम आपको क्या करना है बच्चे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू काउंट द स्पेसिस. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. There are 16 spaces. It means there are high chances that there will be 4 series of 4 letters. After that you put the options and then analyze कि कौन सा फिट बैठ रहा है. BC BC, क्या इसमें 4 का कोई पैटर्न बन रहा है? ABCD BCDA, कुछ पैटर्न बना बेटा? हाँ देखो, पहला है ABCD, नेक्स्ट में क्या हुआ? ए को लास्ट में शिफ्ट कर दिया आपने. यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद बी, बी सी डी ए. नेक्स्ट में क्या होगा, बी को लास्ट में ले जाओ तो इट विल बी सी डी ए सी, देन सी को सी डी ए बी, देन सी को लास्ट में ले जाओ तो इट विल बी डी ए बी सी. दिस इज द पैटर्न ना. ए बी सी डी, बी सी डी ए, सी बी ए डी. नहीं, थोड़ा सा इसमें दिक्कत आ गई ना बच्चे, नहीं हुआ ना. ए बी सी डी, बी सी डी ए, सी बी ए डी होना चाहिए था यहां पे. तो फर्स्ट इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइंग दिस. तो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं बी बी सी सी, बी बी सी सी. तो ए बी सी डी, बी बी डी ए, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट मेकिंग द पैटर्न. नेक्स्ट बी सी बी ए बी सी डी, बी सी डी ए, सी बी ए बी आ गया. दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. तो बी सी डी ए बी सी डी, बी सी डी ए, सी डी ए बी, डी ए बी सी. यस, दिस इज मेकिंग द पैटर्न. लास्ट वन. बन रहा है ना पैटर्न. क्या बच्चे, देखो पहले आपने इसमें काउंट किया कि कितने स्पेसेस हैं. 16 है. 16 है तो जो सीरीज बनेगी 4 की 4 सीरीज बनेंगे. तो फिर उसके बाद ऑप्शन पुट किया और फिर पैटर्न ढूंढने की कोशिश की. तो लास्ट वाला ऑप्शन अगर आप पुट करोगे तो बी सी डी ए, फर्स्ट 4 ए बी सी डी. फिर नेक्स्ट आपने बी से शुरू किया है, बी सी डी देन ए, देन यू स्टार्टेड विद सी, सी डी ए बी, देन यू स्टार्टेड विद डी, डी ए बी सी. दिस इज तो मेकिंग द पैटर्न. ठीक है, ये हो रहा है यहां पे. पहले ए से शुरू किया, फिर ए को लास्ट में ले गए, बी से शुरू किया, फिर बी को लास्ट में लेके गए, सी से शुरू हो गया, फिर सी को लास्ट में लेके गए तो डी से शुरू हुआ. This one, a number n has 6 factors and lies between 250 and 350. तो पहले तो एक फॉर्मूला लिखे बेटा. If a number is a to the power p into b to the power q into c to the power r, where a, b, c are prime numbers. A number is a to the power p into b to the power q into c to the power r, where a, b, c are prime numbers and p, q, r are natural numbers. And p, q, r are natural numbers. Then number of factors of the number will be p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. This is the number of factors of the number. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन में दिया है नंबर हैज 6 फैक्टर्स, तो दिस हैज टू बी इक्वल टू 6. अब किन्हीं भी 3 नंबर को आप 6 नहीं ले सकते. 3 नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 6 आए तो उनमें से एक नंबर तो 1 ही हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना, एक नंबर तो 1 ही हो जाएगा. चलो तो एक केस करके चलते बेटा. 6 1 1. सेकेंड केस 3 2 1. इनका ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं करेगा ए बी सी का. ठीक है ना, दे कैन बी इंटरचेंज्ड ऑल्सो. तो यहां से क्या है, फर्स्ट केस से p प्लस 1 इज 6, तो p का वैल्यू क्या है, p प्लस 1 इज 6, सो p विल बी 5. q प्लस 1 इज 1, q इज 0, r प्लस 1 इज 1, r इज ऑल्सो 0। तो इसका मतलब एक तो हमारे पास नंबर आ गया a टू द पावर 5। q एंड r आर 0 ना, तो वो हट जाएंगे। सेकेंड केस से क्या आएगा, p प्लस 1 इज 3, सो p विल बी 2, q प्लस 1 is 2, so q will be 1, and r plus 1 is 1, so r will be 0। तो r वाला टर्म तो हट जाएगा। What you will get, a to the power 2 into b to the power 1। This number has 6 factor, this number also has 6 factor। तो number has to be in any of these form, इनमें से किसी फॉर्म में होना चाहिए नंबर। ठीक है, इरेज कर दूं। अब चेक करते हैं नंबर इस फॉर्म में, a to the power 5 it has to be greater than 250 and less than 350। तो प्राइम नंबर देखो बच्चे, 2 की पावर 5 कितना होता है, 32 ना, 2 to the power 5 is 32, तो वो तो इस रेंज में नहीं जाएगा। 3 का पावर 5 चेक करो आप, नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 3, 3 to the power 5 243, वो भी इस रेंज में नहीं आएगा, 250 से लेके 350 तक। अब नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 5, 5 का पावर 5 इज ग्रेटर देन 3000, ठीक है ना, 3125 ऐसे बनेगा, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो आउट ऑफ द रेंज। तो इसका मतलब A5 की फॉर्म में कोई भी नंबर फिजिबल नहीं है, नहीं ना कोई नंबर फिजिबल। ओके, तो इसका मतलब सभी नंबर इसी फॉर्म में होने चाहिए। इस नंबर में अगर हम चेक करेंगे तो पहले ए को स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर लो 2, तो 2 का स्क्वायर ले लिया मैंने यहां पे, 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4। अगर मैं 4 लूंगा, 250 और 350 की रेंज में चाहिए, तो इसको अगर मैं 2 स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करूंगा, 4 से डिवाइड करूंगा, इसको 4 से डिवाइड करूंगा, तो इसका मतलब जो b की वैल्यू है दैट हैज टू बी ग्रेटर देन 60, 62.5 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, और यहां पे a का वैल्यू 9, b का वैल्यू 90 से कम होना चाहिए। ठीक है ना, तो अब वैल्यू चेक करते बेटा, 61 62 से लेके और सपोज करो 88 तक, 88 तक चेक करते हैं हाउ मेनी प्राइम नंबर्स आर देयर। तो b की वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है, बोलो b की वैल्यू क्या क्या हो सकती है। 63 इज नॉट ए प्राइम नंबर, 63 3 से डिवाइड हो जाता है बेटा, 67, 71, 73, 79, 81 किसी से डिवाइड होगा, 3 से होगा, 83, 87, 87 3 से डिवाइड होता है बेटा। ठीक है ना, तो यहां पे कितने नंबर्स आए, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स वी आर गेटिंग, 5 नंबर्स है, 5 यहां पे आ गए। अब अगर ये 3 होता तो 3 का स्क्वायर लोगे, 3 इज ऑल्सो ए प्राइम नंबर, 3 स्क्वायर व्हाट इफ ए इज 3, 3 स्क्वायर इज 9। तो इस रेंज में देखो बच्चे, अगर 9 आप ले चुके हो तो नेक्स्ट नंबर सच दैट 3 स्क्वायर इंटू बी हैज टू बी इन दिस रेंज, तो b का वैल्यू 250/9 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और 350/9 से छोटा होना चाहिए। तो इसको अगर डिवाइड करोगे तो बच्चे क्या आएगा, 27 से बड़ा ना, 29 फिजिबल ना, 29 फिजिबल, मिनिमम 29 होगा, मैक्सिमम 40 से कम ही रहेगा। तो 29 से स्टार्ट करेंगे 40 तक, 29, 31, देन 37। ओके, फाइव प्लस 3 8। नेक्स्ट वैल्यू देखो बच्चे, अगर मैं a को 5 ले लूं, 5 स्क्वायर इंटू, a को अगर आप 5 लोगे तो 5 स्क्वायर इज 25, तो इसको 25 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 10 से तो बड़ा होना चाहिए और 14 से छोटा होना चाहिए। तो कितनी वैल्यूज आएंगी? 2 वैल्यूज, 5 स्क्वायर इंटू 11, 5 स्क्वायर इंटू 13। गॉट इट? चलो नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर 7 लेके देखें। 7 स्क्वायर इज 49। अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 ले लो इसको, 49 को अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 ले लेते बेटा। तो यहाँ पे 10 से बड़ा और यहाँ पे सॉरी हमने क्या लिया है? 50 लिया ना, 50 लिया तो 5 से बड़ा और 7 तक, 5 से 7 तक चेक करते एक बार। 5 से 7 तक 5 हो सकता है ना? 5 नहीं बनेगा बच्चे। 7 स्क्वायर इंटू 5 इज लेस देन दिस नंबर, तो 5 से बड़ा होना चाहिए। तो क्या होगा? 7 होगा। लेकिन ए एंड बी हैज टू बी डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर, तो वो तो फिजिबल नहीं होगा। 7 स्क्वायर इंटू 7 लोगे तो दैट विल बी 7 क्यूब। 7 क्यूब विल हैव 4 फैक्टर्स। ए बी सी हैज टू बी डिस्टिंक्ट प्राइम नंबर्स, ऐसा बोला था मैंने। तो 7 स्क्वायर पे फिजिबल नहीं है। ठीक है बच्चे, तो और आगे भी ट्राई करते हैं। नहीं होगा ना बच्चे? 11 स्क्वायर अगर आप लोगे तो, अगर आप 11 स्क्वायर लोगे तो ये 121 बनेगा। 11 स्क्वायर लोगे तो 11 स्क्वायर 121, 121 इंटू 3 नहीं बन रहा। 121 into 2 is less than this. 121 into 3 is more than this. More than this. 13 square 169. 169 into 2 इस रेंज में आ रहा है। सो 13 स्क्वायर इंटू 2। और कौन सा नंबर होगा बच्चे? 13 के बाद 17, 17 स्क्वायर इज 289। तो उसमें b का वैल्यू कुछ नहीं आएगा, तो आगे नहीं जा सकते आप। कितनी वैल्यू है? 11 वैल्यूज आर देयर। ठीक है ना? इसमें भी एक बार सॉल्यूशन में थोड़ा सा गलती दी है, ये नहीं केस कंसिडर किया हुआ। 13 स्क्वायर इंटू 2, तो प्लीज अगर आपका आंसर मैच नहीं कर रहा है, इट विल बी 11। आंसर की इसमें शायद 10 दिया हुआ है। ओके, 13 स्क्वायर इंटू 2, ये क्लियर है ना बच्चे? 13 स्क्वायर इंटू 2, दिस विल हैव हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स? 6 फैक्टर्स ना। 13 स्क्वायर के लिए 3 पॉसिबिलिटी, इसके लिए 2 पॉसिबिलिटी। 3 इंटू 2 6 पॉसिबल आंसर, एंड 13 स्क्वायर इंटू 2 दैट विल बी इन दिस रेंज 169 इंटू 2। ठीक है ना? 338 बनेगा। सो 11 नंबर्स आर देयर। Mr. X went for a restaurant for dinner where the total bill was 500 rupees. The restaurant offered 30% discount on the cash payment. Cash अगर देगा तो 30%, that is 150 rupees discount. Person will be ending up paying 350 rupees. ये कैश का सीन है। While 20% discount on the card payment, अगर कार्ड से पे करेगा तो पर्सन हैज टू 500 का जो है उस पर 20% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, दैट इज 100 रुपीज। पर्सन विल बी पेइंग 400. X also gets a cashback of card repayment after the bill is paid. अब ये जो 10% मिलेगा किस पे मिलेगा बच्चे? 400 रुपीज पे। जो 400 रुपीज उसने पे किया है उस पे 40 रुपीज का कैशबैक मिलेगा। कैशबैक मिलेगा तो 400 में ऐड करोगे उसे कि माइनस करोगे? माइनस करोगे ना बच्चे, उसे तो कम पे किया ना। 400 पे किया है, उसमें से 40 वापस आ गया, तो पर्सन इज पेइंग, तो उसके लिए तो वो डिस्काउंट हुआ ना बेसिकली। सो हियर द पर्सन इज पेइंग 360 रुपीज। कार्ड पेमेंट करेगा तो इफेक्टिवली 360 पेमेंट है, एंड हियर इफेक्टिवली 350 पेमेंट है। तो विच इज बेटर? कार्ड कैसे बेटर है बेटा? ज्यादा पैसे हो गए, ठीक है ना, इट विल बी कैश पेमेंट. हाँ जी, राइट डाउन. इफ द HCF ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज H, थ्योरी है थोड़ा सा इसके रिलेटेड, एक कॉन्सेप्ट है बच्चे. इफ द HCF ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज H, then their LCM then the numbers will be AH and BH. If HCF of two numbers is H, then the numbers will be AH and BH, and their LCM will be ABH. LCM will be ABH. तो देखो बच्चे, AH and BH, these are the two numbers. LCM निकालते टाइम पे व्हाट यू डू, यू डिवाइड बाय कॉमन फैक्टर. कॉमन फैक्टर दोनों में क्या है? H. H से डिवाइड करोगे तो यू विल गेट A एंड B. सो LCM निकालते टाइम पे वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस. सो व्हाट इज द LCM ऑफ द नंबर्स? A into B into H, where A and B are co-prime. Where A and B are co-prime. Co-prime क्यों होंगे? बिकॉज फर्दर आप डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते इनको. H is the highest number which divides them. H is the highest factor. Okay. So basically HCF of the numbers is H divided by their LCM is ABH. तो H को कैंसिल आउट करोगे तो दिस शुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 1 अपॉन A इंटू B, वेयर A एंड B आर टू को प्राइम नंबर्स. वेयर A एंड B आर टू को प्राइम नंबर्स. तो इस फॉर्म में होना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी, ना ये बोल रहा है ना, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी. थोड़ा सा हाइड हो गया यहाँ पे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी. 1/15 इज तो फिजिबल. फिजिबल होगा कि नहीं? बोलो बेटा, क्यों नहीं होगा? 1/15 तो फिजिबल ना. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 and 5 are co-prime number. By the way, you can say that numerator will be 1. Numerator will be 1. 1 upon AB ना. तो 3/35 नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज H तो कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा ना. नोमिनेटर में यू विल गेट 1. 1 अपॉन AB फॉर्म में होना चाहिए, बट दिस इज नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 1 अपॉन AB. ओके, सो D is not possible. Consider the following statement and the question. It is given that X is older than Y. Y is younger than W. Sorry, X is older than Y. Z is younger than W. So W is older than Z. And V is as old as Y. V and Y have the same age. Is Z younger than X? Is Z younger than X? This is the question. To answer this question, we have to use which statement? पहला देखो, W may or may not be older than V. अब इसमें तो दोनों पॉसिबिलिटीज एग्जिस्ट करती हैं, तो वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस. सेकेंड देखो, W is not older than V. W is not older than V. So it means either W will be same age as that of V or less, na? Same or less. W is not older than V. W is younger or equal to V. तो W की जगह पे मैं V लिख देता हूं बेटा. यहां पे लिख दूं W की जगह पे V. तो if I am using this, V is greater than equal to W. So V is greater than equal to Z also. नहीं, v has to be greater than z because w is greater than z. v का वैल्यू अगर w के इक्वल भी होगा then also v is greater than z. ओके बच्चे, and v is equal to y. v is equal to y, it means y is greater than equal to y is greater than equal to w is greater than equal to z, so it means y has to be greater than z. From this, can I say y is greater than z and x is greater than y? So can we answer this question? Yes, by using only the second statement we can answer this question. So first the question can be answered by the help of statement 1 alone. Now question can be answered with the help of statement 2 alone. Yes. You need some break 10 minutes या कंटिन्यू करें? कंटिन्यू कर देना, फास्ट तो नहीं जा रही ना? चलो ठीक है, समझ में आना चाहिए, मेन चीज ये है बच्चे. If n is a natural number such that n is from greater than 0 but less than 100, इसका मतलब n की वैल्यू 1 से लेके 100 तक हो सकती है बच्चे. एंड यू नो दैट साइक्लिसिटी ऑफ 2 and 8, दोनों की साइक्लिसिटी क्या है? 4. ठीक है ना? व्हेन आफ्टर एवरी 4 स्टेप्स यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर, रिपीट होगा. तो इसमें पहले 4 में ही कैलकुलेट कर लेते. बाय द वे, फ्रॉम 1 to 100 हाउ मेनी सेट ऑफ 4 विल बी देयर? 4 के कितने सेट बनेंगे? 25 सेट बनेंगे, 25 सेट्स बनेंगे. चलो एक सेट में चेक करते हैं हम. 2 to the power 1 plus 8 to the power 1, 2 square plus 8 square, 2 cube plus 8 cube, 2 to the power 4 plus 8 to the power 4. After that तो रिपीट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. So 2 to the power 1 plus 8 to the power 1 is 0. 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. 64 means 4 na? So unit digit will be 8. 2 cube is how much? 8. 8 cube is 4 na? 8 cube is 2. 8 cube is 512. 8 cube is 512. So you will get 2 here. So that is again 0. Next, 2 to the power 4. That is 16. You are getting 6 here. And 8 to the power 4. That is also 6. Here it is coming out to be 2. तो पहले 4 में कितनी बार 0 आया? फर्स्ट 4 में हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू आर गेटिंग 0? 2 टाइम्स. नेक्स्ट 4 में अगेन 2 टाइम्स. नेक्स्ट 4 में अगेन 2 टाइम्स. एंड फ्रॉम 1 to 100 देयर आर 25 such sets. In each set you are getting 2 times 0. तो 100 सेट्स में 100 नहीं, 25 सेट्स में हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट विल कम? 50 टाइम्स. ठीक है ना? अब देखो एग्जाम में इनफैक्ट आपको ये चेक भी नहीं करना था. नो नीड टू फाइंड ऑल दीज ऑल्सो. आपको क्या करना बच्चे? देर आर 25 सेट्स. जैसा एक सेट में होगा वैसा ही 25 में होगा. आंसर हैज टू बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 25. देर इज ओनली वन ऑप्शन विच इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 25. मार्क करो और नेक्स्ट पे जाओ. ओके हाँ जी, आई होप ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आई एम ट्राइंग to keep it slow, but if someone find it fast you can watch the video at a lower speed also, or you can go backward and then again recheck. Next one, in a school of 600 students, girls are 40% more than boys. The average weight of the girls is 50 and average weight of all the students and the boys is same. The average weight of all the students is how much? तो देखो बेटा 600 students boys and girls. Girls are 40% more. If the boys are 100, then girls will be 140. So that ratio is 5:7. पहले 600 को 5:7 में ब्रेक करो. 5 + 7 is 12. 12 से कैंसिल आउट करेंगे. If this is 5x, 7x, total 12x. 12x is equal to 600. So x will be 50. So there are 250 boys and 350 girls. Let the average weight of all the students is x kg. It is given that the average weight of all the students and the boys is same. So total weight of all the boys is 250x plus total weight of the girls is 350 into 50 divided by 600. That is equal to the average weight of the class is x. 600 को वहां पे ले जाओ बच्चे, multiply करो. So this will become 600 into x. Now this is 250x. Can I take 250 common? Sorry, 50 common ले लो आप. 50 common लोगे तो you will get 5x plus 7 into 50. That is equal to 600x. 50 से cancel out करेंगे, you will get 12x. 5x will go there. So 7 into 50 is 350. That is equal to 12x minus 5x. 7x. From 7 you can cancel out this at 50. X is equal to 50. What we have to find? Average weight of all the students. That is 50. Okay? कितना टाइम लगा बेटा इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में? मिनट के करीब लग गया. बट इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में एक मिनटोस मोमेंट भी आता है बेटा. कैन आई से if the average weight, if all the students have the same weight, if all the students have same weight, then average weight of the class will be same as that of weight of any student. अब इस क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया हुआ है average weight of the boys is same as the average weight of the entire class. Average weight of the boys is same as the average weight of the entire class. तो ऐसा कब फिजिबल है? When the average weight of boys and girls is same. तो गर्ल्स का एवरेज क्या है? What is girls average? 50. So boys average should be 50. Then only class average can be 50. That's it. तो थोड़ा सा अगर आप इसको ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करते तो no need to solve this question. Okay? Rakesh was traveling from Mumbai to Goa. After traveling 23 kilometers from Mumbai, a problem occurred in the car and the speed became 4/5. But if the speed becomes 4/5, then time will become 5/4. Speed is inversely proportional to the time taken. If the distance is constant, then speed is inversely proportional to the time taken. Speed becomes 4/5, so time speed become 4/5, so time will become 5/4. New time will be 5 if the original time was 4. Due to which he reached Goa 50 minutes late. तो बच्चे इन दोनों टाइमिंग्स में कितना गैप होना चाहिए? 50 मिनट्स का गैप होना चाहिए. Their gap is 50 minutes. Their gap is 50 minutes. So it means if the original time was 50 into 4, 200 minutes, then now the time taken will be how much? 250 minutes. So the person will be late by 250 minutes. Sorry, person will be late by 50 minutes. 50 minute extra लगेंगे. Second case में ratio will remain same 5:4, but in this case he got late by 41 minutes. So one part is equal to 41 minutes. 4 parts. अब मैं इससे भी शॉर्ट कराऊंगा इसको, ठीक है ना, पहले तो बेसिक समझा रहा हूं. So this part will be how much? 41 into 4, 164, and this will be 205 minutes. That is 49 minutes का. क्लियर है? अब ये देखो बेटा, earlier the accident was taking place at 23 kilometer away from this distance. Second time में जो accident हुआ है that is 35 kilometer away from this point. 35 kilometer away from this point. इसका मतलब अभी कितना एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेवल किया उसने? 12 मिनट्स. तो इस जर्नी में 12 मिनट्स उसने बचा लिए हैं. तो इस वाले पार्ट में जो टाइम का गैप आएगा दैट हैज टू बी 12 मिनट्स गैप ना, 12 मिनट का गैप आना, सॉरी 12 किलोमीटर जो है ना, इस 12 किलोमीटर में टाइम का गैप देखते हैं. 12 किलोमीटर में ओरिजिनली if this distance is covered with the normal speed, person was taking 200 minutes with the original speed. And with the original speed, this distance is covered in how much time? 164 minutes. तो ये डिस्टेंस करने में 36 मिनट लगते हैं उसे. बोलो yes or no. So with the original speed, he will take 36 minutes to cover this 12 kilometer distance. ये वाले पार्ट में. With the original speed, पहले एक्सीडेंट यहां पे हुआ, तो ओरिजिनल स्पीड से द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी कुड बी कवर्ड इन 200 मिनट्स. नाउ द एक्सीडेंट टुक प्लेस 12 किलोमीटर फर्दर, दैट इज हियर. नाउ रिमेनिंग जर्नी कुड हैव बीन कवर्ड विद द नॉर्मल स्पीड एट 164 मिनट्स. तो इस 12 किलोमीटर में नॉर्मल स्पीड से कितना टाइम का चेंज आ रहा है बच्चे? 36 मिनट्स. सो विद द नॉर्मल स्पीड पर्सन कैन कवर this 12 kilometer in 36 minutes. What will be the speed? Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Time is 36 minutes. Minute to hour conversion करना पड़ेगा. 12 3s are 320s are. So what should be the original speed? 20 kilometer per hour. Repeat करूं एक बार. मुंबई टू गोवा जाना. Accident took place after 23 kilometers. So rest of the journey was covered at a 4/5 speed. So time will become 5/4. Time में gap आया 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 50 minutes. So with the normal speed, it could have been covered in 200 minutes. With the normal speed, the remaining part of the journey can be covered in 200 minutes. सेकेंड केस, द एक्सीडेंट टुक प्लेस आफ्टर 35 मिनट्स. इसका मतलब इसमें 12 किलोमीटर और एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेवल किया उसने नॉर्मल स्पीड से. इन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी पर्सन गोट लेट बाय 41 मिनट्स. सो विद द नॉर्मल स्पीड रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी कैन बी कवर्ड इन 164 मिनट. दिस पार्ट इन 200 मिनट्स, दिस पार्ट इन 64 मिनट्स. तो ये पार्ट कितनी देर में कवर किया जा सकता था? 36 मिनट्स में. With the normal speed, how much distance? 12 kilometer. So 12 kilometer in 36 by 60, that is 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. बेटा अगर मैं कोई भी कॉन्जिक्यूटिव 50 नेचुरल नंबर्स लूंगा तो कैन आई से आउट ऑफ 50 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स 25 विल बी इवन, 25 odd. ठीक है. In this set there are 4n numbers, so it means number of terms is even. So out of these 4n numbers 2n will be odd and 2n will be even. Out of these 4n numbers there will be 2n even and 2n will be odd. The probability that the person is taking how many numbers? A boy is asked to choose two numbers at random, n1 and n2. The probability that n1 square plus n2 square is even. n1 square plus n2 square will be even. ये even कब हो सकता है? Either both are odd or both are even. So they can be both odd or both even. What is the total number of cases? Total number of cases is 4n C2. You are choosing two numbers out of 4n. First case, when both are odd numbers, both odd, that will be 2n C2 plus both even, that is also 2n C2. बेटा सेम नंबर को दो बार ऐड करेंगे तो डबल हो जाएगा. तो what you will get 2n double of 2n C2 upon 4n C2, that is given to be 6. इसको मैं ऊपर लिख दूं. 2 times 2n C2 कैसे लिखोगे? You will write the bigger two numbers, largest two numbers. सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा 2n, next number will be 2n minus 1 divided by 4n C2. Divide by 2 factorial भी तो करेंगे ना यहाँ पे. 2 times 2n upon 2 factorial, 2 into 1 divided by 4n C2, that will be 4n into 4n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial cancel out. 2n into 2, that is 4n, cancel out. It is 6. Go for cross multiplication. 2n minus 1, that is equal to 4n into 6 is 24n minus 6. सिक्स दे रखा है क्या? नहीं सॉरी, 11/23 दे रखा बेटा. Probability is 11/23 है ना. Probability is 11/23. So 11/23. Go for cross multiplication. ट्राई करो जल्दी. अच्छा, मैं एक बार कैलकुलेशन पार्ट बाद में देखेंगे, पहले इसे एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं अगेन. देयर आर टोटल 4n नंबर्स. आउट ऑफ 4n 2n will be odd, 2n will be even. Probability is number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Total number of cases is 4n C2. Out of 4n we are selecting 2. n1 square plus n2 square will be even if either both are even or both are odd. So first case I am selecting both even numbers, second case I am selecting both odd numbers. That is probability is 11/23. अब इससे आगे सोल्व करो आप. We are left with 2n minus 1 upon 4n minus 1, that is 11/23. Cross multiply करेंगे. 46n minus 23, that is equal to 44n minus 11. 44n will come here, this will be 2n, minus 23 will go there, that will become 23 minus 11, 12. So n will be equal to 12/2, 6. Value of n will be 6. That's what we have to find. है क्या option? हाँ, 6. Okay. Three friends P, Q and R are wearing hats. Either black or white. Each person can see the hats of the other two person. P, Q, R. What is the color of P's hat? First information. P says that he can see one black and one white. He can see one black and one white. Can we find what is the color of P's cat? P's cap? बता सकते हो क्या? नहीं बता सकते. First information is not sufficient. Second information, Q says that he can see one white and one black. अब P ने कौन सी पहनी होगी? We don't know. So first alone is not sufficient. Second alone is also not sufficient. Okay. अब दोनों को combine करके देखते हैं. Now let us combine both the statements. पहला, P says that he can see one black and one white. तो black, white, white, black. Q says he can see one white and one black. Q ने अगर यहाँ पे white देखी है तो यहाँ पे black होगा. Q ने यहाँ पे black देखा तो यहाँ पे white होगा. By their combination also we are getting both the possible cases. P can wear a black or a white. So even the combination is also not sufficient. Answer is data. The question cannot be answered even with the help of both the statements. D answer. बेटा इसको 2 से कैंसिल आउट कर दे हम. 2 से कैंसिल आउट करोगे तो you will get x is less than equal to 1 and greater than -2. It means x is less than equal to 1 and x is greater than -2. So this one, A is the right answer. Okay. Ravi scored 20% marks in an exam and failed by 120 marks. Rahul scored 40% and scored 60 marks more than the passing score. तो बेटा उनके मार्क्स में कितना डिफरेंस होगा? 180 मार्क्स का डिफरेंस होगा ना. One is failing and another is passing. देखो, Ravi is getting 20% of the total. That is equal to passing marks minus 120. ठीक है? His friend got 40% of the marks and he passed by 60 marks. So that is passing plus 60. Second minus first करो आप. So P will get cancelled. What you will get? 20% of the total is equal to 180. From here we can say that total is equal to 900. Total is 900. You may substitute in the first equation. 20% of 900 will be 180. After scoring 180, a person failed by 120. So passing should be 180 plus 120. So I am putting here 20% of 900 is equal to passing minus 120. So this part will be 180. 120 will come here. 180 plus 120 is the passing score, that is 300 marks. Passing is 300. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . ओके बच्चे, in an over of 6 balls, batsman hits 3 boundaries, 4s and 6s, takes 2 singles and plays a dot ball. बाकी कोई इसमें वाइड और एक्स्ट्रा ऐसा कुछ नहीं दे रखा है, तो मिनिमम कितना स्कोर होगा बैट्समैन का? व्हाट विल बी द मिनिमम स्कोर? मिनिमम कितना होगा? 14 ना, मिनिमम 14। देखो बच्चे, वो 3 बाउंड्रीज लगाएगा, बाउंड्रीज में अगर तीनों 4 लगाएगा तो मिनिमम बनेगा, ऑल 3 6s तो मैक्सिमम जाएगा, तो मिनिमम स्कोर विल बी 3 4s and 2 singles ना, and 2 singles, so his minimum score will be 14 and maximum score will be 3 into 6 plus 2, 20 is the maximum score. Question is, which of the following cannot be the score? 12 is not possible, minimum 14 है। हुआ था ये एग्जाम में सॉल्व? हो गया था, गुड। क्रिकेट वाले हो जाते हैं। The given figure consists of 3 intersecting circles which represent the applicants for the post of PA who are computer literate, having the knowledge of office rules regulation and have a bachelor's degree. Find the letter which represents all the applicants who have who are computer literate. इस सर्कल में होना चाहिए कंप्यूटर लिटरेट and have the knowledge of office rules and regulations but do not have a bachelor's degree. बैचलर डिग्री नहीं होनी चाहिए, इससे बाहर होना चाहिए और इन दोनों में कॉमन होना चाहिए, दैट इज डी ना, डी इज द कॉमन रीजन। हाँ, easiest of all. This one also very easy. In a half marathon conducted for girls, after running for 30 minutes, a runner was informed that she had completed 60% of the journey. इसका मतलब 60% distance covered in 30 minutes, तो 100% in 50 minutes. Let the total time taken is t. So 60% of the distance will be covered in 60% of the time is 30 minutes. So what is the total time taken? 30 into 100 upon 60. Total time taken will be 50. Out of 50, 30 minutes already traveled. So how much more time is required? How much more time was the runner supposed to run in this marathon? बाकी टाइम कितना और लगेगा? 20 minutes more. Okay? हाँ जी, हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। हाँ जी, there are 6 employees in a company. Some hint about their salary as given below. Consider the following statements and answer the question that follow. How many employees are there? 6 na? 6 employees, and there are some hints regarding their salaries. How many statements given above are required to determine the highest earning person? Highest earning person. First statement, A got more than B. C and D earn the same amount. E on the least, E on the least, F on less than D, F on more than A, तो E on least इसको लास्ट में यूज करेंगे बच्चे. पहले तो A on more than B, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज यूज्ड. A on more than D, फिफ्थ को यूज करेंगे तो F on more than A. So by their combination we can say F got more than A got more than B. We have to find who earned the highest. Highest बताना है. So by using these also we cannot find. So now let us use the fourth information. F on less than D. So D will get more than this. So we got the order of these four people. Next, C and D get the equal amount. C and D got equal. So who got the highest? We cannot determine because as of now we don't have the information regarding E. So we have to use this also. E got the least. So to find the answer to this question, we have to use all the 5 statements. A shopkeeper makes 30% profit by selling an item X mixed with item Y at a price of 250 rupee per kg. If Y comes free and X mixed with them, Y is sold at the price of pure item X. Y comes free. It is like कि a shopkeeper is purchasing milk, he is adding water free of cost and selling it to the customer. इसका मतलब है बच्चे, अगर उसने 100 ml मिल्क होगा उसके पास, 100 ml मिल्क है, तो इसको वो कितना बना के बेचेगा? 130 बोल के बेचेगा. तो हाउ मच वाटर ही हैज टू ऐड इन इट? 30. सो विच इज 30 हियर, Y और X? X ना, X is free, so X is water here, so X 30, Y will be 100. What is the ratio, X and Y? 3:10. '76 question. In a village, the ratio of the number of male and female is 4:5. Total ratio among the literate, and it is given that there are 2400 males in the village are literate. 2400 are literate, and literates में ratio is 6:7 ना. Beta, if 6 is 2400, what is the value of one part? 400. If 6 part is 2400, one part will be 400, and then value of 7 part will be 2800. 6:7 ratio दिया है. It means there are 2400 male and 2800 female which are literate. The ratio of the number of illiterate is 3:4. So considering the number of illiterate male is, हमें क्या बताना? Difference between the number of male and female. Number of male and female. Let there are 4x male and 5x female. We have to find their difference. That is the value of x. So out of 4x, 2400 are literate male. So illiterate male will be 4x minus 2400. Illiterate females will be 5x minus 2800. And the ratio of the illiterate people is 3:4. So from there find the value of x. 4x minus 2400 upon 5x minus 2800, that is 3:4. Go for cross multiplication. This will be 16x minus 2400 into 4 is 9600. 3 into 5x 15x minus 8400. 15x will come here, it is x. 9600 will go there. What is the difference? 1200. X is 1200. So 4800 male and 6000 female. What is their difference? 1200. We have to find their difference. 1200. ठीक है बच्चे? Any confusion? Choose the group which is different from the others. That is odd one out निकालना आपको. Odd one out में देखो बच्चे, this is prime, but this is not prime. ये भी prime number है, नहीं है. तो this is not the series of prime numbers. तो सबको ऐड करके देखो एक बार. You just add them. What is the total you are getting? $64. Their total? Their total? कैसे odd one out दिख रहा है बच्चे? थोड़ा सा स्ट्राइक कर रहा है. 64. These are 4 numbers. So this is 4 cube ना? These are 5 numbers. This is 5 cube. These are 6 numbers. This is 6 cube. So it was supposed to be 27. 3 numbers are there. So it should be 3 cube ना? But this is not there. So this is the odd one out. ये बाकी से हटके है. ठीक है? Any problem till here? Forget about this sign. ये जो lambda दे रखा है इसको छोड़ो. 12, 3 and 45. We are getting a 6 from there. 12 plus 3, 15 plus 45 is coming out to be 60. 60 को 6 लिखा है. Okay. Then 67 plus 67, 31, 56. That is written as 1. ओके. कितना बन रहा है? $154. ओके. एक और दे रखा है 54, 23, 89. The total? That is written as 4. तो कैसे किया बच्चे? डिजिट सम बोलते इसे. सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स नहीं, डिजिट सम. 6 plus, you keep on adding till you get a single digit number. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is how much? 10. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is 10. And 10 में 1 plus 0 is 1. Their total is coming out to be 13. 6 plus 6 plus 1 is 13. 13 में 1 plus 3 will be 4. You keep on adding. उसे बोलते हैं डिजिटल सम. तो नेक्स्ट देखते बच्चे. 73, 34 एंड 21. इनको ऐड करोगे तो 128. If we add them, what you will get? 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 को further add करो. 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer will be 2. Digital sum. Digital sum always get a value from 1 to 9. You keep on adding till you get the value from 1 to 9. ठीक है बच्चे? Three statements followed by the two conclusions are given. First statement, all pens are pencils. All pens are pencils. बच्चे कहना ही से some pencils are not pen. Can I say this? नहीं बच्चे. They can be overlapping circle also. All pens are pen. All pens are pencils. तो ये overlapping circle भी तो बन सकता है ना? There can be a single circle also. All pencils are erasers. So erasers. And all erasers are sharpeners. All erasers are sharpeners. First, which of the following conclusions can be drawn? All pens are sharpeners. All pens are sharpeners. Definitely true. Next, all sharpeners are pencils. All sharpeners are pencils. That is the wrong. We cannot say, na? This is false. So answer will be only one. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. It means all angles are different. If all angles are different, then all sides will be different. So that is called a scalene triangle. So we can say that no side of the triangles are of equal length. So this will be a scalene triangle. There can be one more form which is depending upon the angle. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. I hope you are aware. Acute angle triangle क्या होता है बच्चे? नहीं, acute angle triangle में क्या होता है? If each angle is less than 90 degree. Each angle is less than 90 degree. तो यहाँ पे एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं. If the angles are 2x, 3x and 4x, their total is coming out to be 9x. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. Total is 9x is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the three angles of a triangle 180. So 9 से cancel out करेंगे 20. Angles of the triangle are 40, 60 and 80 degree. Each angle is less than 90 degree. So this is acute angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? If one angle is 90, that is right angle. Obtuse angle क्या होता है बच्चे? If one of the angles is more than 90, then it is obtuse angle. So we can say that this triangle is acute angle and scalene triangle. All three sides are different. Isosceles क्या होता है बच्चे? Isosceles. Two sides are equal, so two angles are equal. Equilateral triangle. All sides are equal and each angle will be 60 degree. That is equilateral. Okay. So what we can conclude? No two sides of the triangle are of equal length. Yes. One of the angles of the triangle is obtuse. No. All angles are acute. The triangle is a right angle triangle. No. It is acute angle triangle. Triangle may be equilateral. It cannot be equilateral. For equilateral, each angle should be 60 degree. So that's it, my dear. Any other question, any other concept you want me to discuss? Follow. ठीक है, चलिए तो ओके बच्चे, बाय, टेक केयर, ऑल द बेस्ट, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन.